Signal blind spot to the left, change your lane to the left. Hello beautiful people, Arif Orya here from Orya Driving Academy, and I will be showing you route number 3 for the G2 test here at the Port Union Drive Test Center. So when you come here, this is what you will have to do. Once you get to the Drive Test Center, you will have to park your car in one of the parking spaces. It is always recommended that you park your car in reverse because then it will be easier for you to come out. So park your car in reverse. Please make sure that you know the number of your parking space. Then you will have to go inside the Drive Test Center. There are designated kiosks for the scheduled road test appointments. You'll go to the kiosk, touch the screen, and you will see this screen there. It says, please choose one of the following options, which is scheduled road test check-in. Click on this, and then it will take you to the next screen. The next screen will tell you, please ensure you have the following information before you begin: driver's license, vehicle make and color, license plate number, parking space number. And if there's no parking space, then please indicate front, side, or back, wherever you have parked your car at. Then click on continue, and then it will take you to the next screen where you will have to enter your driver's license number. Your driver's license always starts with a letter, so enter the letter first, then it will take you to the numbers, and then enter the number of your driver's license. Once you enter your driver's license number, then it will take you to the next screen, and your appointment will pop up. It says road test. You are checking in for road test appointment on this date. Please select the appointment below and select next to continue. So in this case here, if you're here for G, it will show class G. And if you're here for G2, it will show G2. It will also show the time that you have booked your appointment at and the location at which Drive Test Center. You check the box and then click on next, and then it will take you to the next screen. So on this screen, the kiosk will ask you 2 questions. Check yes or no for this. Number 1, has an optometrist or physician ever advised you that you require corrective lenses to improve your visual acuity to see at a distance? So, which means if you're wearing any glasses or any contact lenses, if you are, please make sure you have them on you. If you don't have them, they can refuse your test, and it will show as an X on your license if you have it, but you haven't brought them. So the examiner will check for that. The next one is, has a physician ever advised you that you suffer from any of the following medical conditions: heart disease, stroke, diabetes requiring insulin to control, epilepsy, seizure disorder, loss of consciousness or awareness, or any other medical condition or physical disability that may affect your safe operation of a motorized vehicle? So obviously you're here for the road test, so this will be a no. If you suffer from any of these, you shouldn't be here. So you click hit next, and then it will bring you to this screen. So when you come to this screen, it will actually ask you for the vehicle make. So you enter your car model, if it's Toyota, Honda, whatever it is, your license plate number, you enter the plate number of your car, and then the color of your car, whether it's white, black, red, whatever color it is. And then location of vehicle or parking spot number. So you enter the parking spot. So in this case, I have number 11. So you enter 11 or whichever parking space you have parked at. And if there's no parking space number, then you either put front, side, or back, wherever you have parked your car at. Once you do that, then click next, and then it will take you to this screen. It says, once you receive a ticket below, your test has been dispatched to an examiner and you must wait at your vehicle immediately. Then click on the box here where it says, I acknowledge, I'll wait at my vehicle immediately. So once you click on this box, you will receive a ticket from the kiosk. Grab the ticket, go to your car and wait in the car for the examiner. The examiner will come to your car from the left side. You will have to, while you're waiting for the examiner, please make sure that your seat is adjusted, your mirrors are adjusted, you have your seat belt on. And when the examiner comes, make sure you start the car. bring the left side window down, and this is what they're gonna do. Hello, my name is Arif, and I will be your examiner for the day. Can I have your license, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Could I please have your full name?
Yeah, I'm Adam John.
Your date of birth?
Yeah, 1995, 0521.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Can you beep the horn for me, please,
Sure.
GP? Thank you. Can I please have the right signal? Left signal? Thank you. Swatch me in the mirror and let's do the same thing in the back.
Okay.
Can I please have the left signal? Right signal? Can you turn off the signal, please?
Yes.
Step on the brake.
Okay.
Take your foot off. Thank you.
Do you require glasses?
No, sir.
Do you have any medical conditions that would affect your safe driving?
No, sir.
All right, can I see your license one more time?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. On today's test, you will not be asked to do anything against the law. Your driving capabilities will be noted and assessed. When observing or looking around, please move your head and not just your eyes.
Sure, sir.
Cellular and Bluetooth devices must be silenced or turned off. Convenience technologies can't be used. In-vehicle recording devices must not be facing the passenger area. Get a copy of the test inside the office or online at drivetest.ca afterwards.
Sure, sir.
Do you have any questions before we start?
No, sir.
When you are ready, please proceed.
All right. So when the examiner comes to you, so after they will be giving you directions towards the right because there's no left. This is a one-way street. So what you will have to do is please make sure that you're putting your car in drive, signal to the right. But before leaving, do a good 360 degrees check. Look at your rear view mirror, right, behind, left, all around. And when you're coming out, nice and slowly, do not rush yourselves. This is the first impression that you're leaving to the examiner. So look nice and left, right, and watch for any pedestrian, watch for any cars from the left side. When there's no cars, no pedestrian, then nice and slowly turn right here. Again, the speed limit within a plaza is between 10 to 15 kilometers per hour. So nice and slowly drive here. Watch for any cars that may pull out and continue this way. Keep going. Again, like I said, watch for any pedestrian, watch for any cars that may pull out, and drive nice and slowly, no rush, don't panic. This is the beginning of your road test, and continue here. So once you reach to the end of this building, then slightly move towards right. But when you're, because there's a garbage bin here and it's a kind of blind area, so move with caution, look, and then continue here. So in here, make sure that you stay on the right. From here on, check your rear view mirror, signal blind spot to the right, and we will be making a right turn here. So check a blind spot, turn right here. The speed limit is 40 kilometers per hour here. For route number 1, we turned right. For route number 2, we went straight. For route number 3, we are gonna turn right again. So check your rear view mirror, signal blind spot to the right, and there's an always stop sign. Please make sure that you're coming to a complete stop here. Once you come to a complete stop, check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again, and nice and slowly check your blind spot. Turn right closer to the curb because this road is wide enough for 2, so stay on the right. And in here, the speed limit is 40 kilometers per hour. Please try to stay within 38 to 39. Do not go over the speed limit. Continue on this lane. And so watch for any cars that may be coming out of the plaza. The examiner may tell you to go straight, or they will tell you that we are making a left turn at the traffic light. So if they tell you, because for route number 1, we turned left at the stop sign. For route number 3, they will tell you to turn left at the traffic light. So you can either change your lane from here. If not, after the stop sign, you can change your lane to the left and stay in the center lane. So always stop sign, please come to a complete stop. Now, this is a busy intersection. Sometimes it's very busy. I'm gonna come to a complete stop here. Now check all around whose turn it is and wait for your turn. Now when it's my turn, so most of the time there will be a bus stopped here. So if the bus has the emergency lights, change your lane, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, change your lane to the left. But if they ask you for route number 4, is to the right. So in here, we will be going left. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Now when you're turning left, here, please make sure that you're in the center lane. A lot of people, they move to the left lane. Do not do that. The speed limit here is 60 kilometers per hour, but then the examiner will tell you to go left at the traffic light. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, change your lane to the left, turn off the signal, and again, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Where the broken line starts from, get in from here. Keep the signal on, do not turn off the signal. And it's a red traffic light. We're gonna come to a complete stop here. Come to a complete stop here and wait here for your turn. When the light turns green, then we will be making a left turn when it's our turn. So guys, if you think this video is good, if it's helping you, if you're learning anything from it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. I have also done route number 1, route number 2. This is route number 3, and I will also have route number 4. Check the playlist of my YouTube channel, the playlist for under Port Union, and you will find all the latest videos there. There are some older videos as well, but these are the latest videos for now. So all the latest videos will be inside the playlist. So now I'm still waiting for the green light. Green light. Just slowly move inside, twist yourself a little bit towards left, and then straighten up your car and wait here. While you're waiting here, you're looking for the oncoming traffic and the pedestrian on the left side. Very important, guys. This is very important that you're checking the pedestrian there as well. So I'm waiting for the oncoming traffic. There are cars coming. Keep on checking for bicycles, scooters. Sometimes they're fast. We might be looking like inside the intersection, but they can come from anywhere. So watch for those things. There are still cars coming. The bus, okay, yellow light, check the pedestrian, no one there, and I'm turning left here. So once you turn left here, then position yourself first, recover yourself, and then change lane to right, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, change your lane to the right always. So they may ask you to turn left here at this traffic light, change your lane back, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and I'm gonna go back to the left lane, turn off the signal, again, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, where the broken line starts from. This is where we're getting in. So again, it's a red traffic light. I'm stopping behind this car. Please make sure that you're far enough where you can see the tires and a little bit of the ground of the car in front of you, and wait here for the red light. So they might ask you to go left here on Durnford Road. So we'll be turning left, and then we will be going back to the drive test center, or they will ask you to turn right into any of the streets to do the uphill, downhill, 3-point turn, those things. And for those things, I also have done all those videos for you guys. Go to the playlist of my YouTube channel and you can find all of them. So green light, I'm gonna go halfway in. That car is too far, no pedestrian on the left, and I'm gonna turn left here. So just like this. So in here, they might either take you straight or they will ask you to turn right here. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. I'm gonna turn right here, check the blind spot and turn right here. So on these streets, they will ask you to do downhill parking, uphill parking, 3-point turn, all those things. And then they will take you back to the drive test center. So I'm gonna go here and I will do a 3-point turn for you guys. Local right, left, any streets that are coming your way, please make sure that you're checking. I'm gonna pull over, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. I'm gonna pull over here, come to a complete stop, and I'm gonna do a 3-point turn here. So I will be doing a 3-point turn for you guys. And when you're doing a 3-point turn, please make sure that for 3-point turn, you're checking your rear view mirror. Make sure that you're checking the left side, front and back. So make sure we are checking that there no cars are coming. So when there's no cars, that's when we are going to do the 3-point turn. So I'm waiting for this car. Check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot, and there's a car coming, so I'll wait. So I will wait for that car as well. And when that car is gone, then I'm going to make a 3-point turn for you guys. No cars. I'm going to go all the way like this, stop, put the car in reverse, turn the wheels to the right, do a 360 degrees check. Go until your side mirror is in the middle, stop, put your car in drive, look right, left, and go back. That's it. So, and then they will ask you to do uphill, downhill, 3-point turn, all those things on these streets. And then we will go back, or they can take you to that street all the way to the end and take you back to the left. So streets can be different. I'm gonna go right here, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. I'm gonna go right. These inside streets can be different. Check one-way stop sign, look for pedestrian, no pedestrian, creep up. There's a car coming, I'll wait. Don't rush. If there's a car coming, do not rush. Go nice and slowly, check the blind spot and turn right here. There's school crossing, watch for the school crossing. Any pedestrian, please make sure you wait for them until they touch the curb, and then we're gonna continue this way. So this is route number 3. So the route number 3, a little bit of challenging part was at that first traffic light when you're turning left. There are 2 lanes that are turning left. So in here we will continue. The examiner will tell you to go straight. We're going straight. Come to a complete stop, always stop sign, coming to a complete stop. I'm checking to see whose turn it is. So all those cars came before me, and then I will be next. Okay, it's my turn now. I'm gonna move. So in here, there's a stop sign. Well, there's a stop sign there. The examiner will tell you to go left. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Guys, this stop sign, please make sure that you're obeying this one. Come to a complete stop here and check. Treat it like an always stop sign, whoever comes first. But if there are any pedestrian, watch for any pedestrian and then turn left here. Continue here. Turn off the signal, watch for any cars that may pull out. They may ask you to do reverse parking here in one of these parking spaces. Please be prepared for it. Now mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. We're gonna go right here. Just like this. So this time I'm gonna go a little bit further. I'll park somewhere else for you guys because I did route number 1, 2, and 3 all from this parking lot. So we'll go a little bit further and I will park somewhere else. So that way you guys know every spot that you have parked at, and just continue here. Again, the speed limit between 10 to 15 kilometers. Check for any pedestrian, any cars that may pull out and everything. So they may ask you to park here on the right side somewhere. So feel free to park. Don't worry about anything. And I'm gonna park on the right side here. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. And I'm gonna park just like this. When you're parking here, so the parking is on the right side, try to stay more on the left. Come to a complete stop, park your car, pull your parking brake. That's pretty much it, guys. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please share the video with your friends and families. And if you have any questions, please write them in the comment section. So once you're done with your road test, the examiner will tell you, congratulations, you meet the ministry standards. Don't forget to take that ticket that you got at the beginning, grab that, go inside the drive test center, go to counter A, and they will either call you by name or by number. When you go there, give the ticket, your license, and then they will give you a temporary license. If you have changed your address, please make sure that you're notifying the clerk so that they can update your new address, and so that your plastic card can come to the mail at the correct address. And you should be able to drive with both the plastic, the G1, and the paper they are giving you. They will put a sticker on your G1, which is valid for ID only, and the paper is your valid driver's license until you get the plastic one in the mail. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Please make sure that you're following me for more videos.